Hello guys, so today I'm here with a brand new episode of Cooking TV. So today we'll be making chocolate truffles. This is a really simple recipe and we only have 3 ingredients: butter, condensed milk and dark chocolate. To start with, we'll be melting the dark chocolate. Stir well until the chocolate melts. Now that the chocolate is melted, let's take it off the heat and add some condensed milk. Stir it well until it combines together. Pour it to a tray and then leave it in the freezer until it sets. Take the small cubes of fudge and roll it into small balls and coat it in icing sugar. We have our chocolate truffles. This is the perfect treat for all your chocolatey cravings.
Grab your laptop, grab your pen, it's you and I alone again. It's super fun, it's super easy. It's cooking.